Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-01851 error in Oracle Database 12c. So here you can see that I already logged into the SQL plus editor as a common user called c#ascot. So here is one table called times, having one column called ts with the timestamp data type. Okay, so let me insert one value to the times table, to the ts to the column called ts. Okay, let me insert on timestamp value. Okay, let me correct that. Okay, now yes, so you can see that ORA-01851 minutes must be between 0 and 59. Okay, see here I have inserted the wrong minutes. I have inserted 63 minutes, 11 hours 63 minutes. Okay, so which is a wrong format. Okay, so anyway, this query will help you to check the timestamp format, insert the value accordingly. Okay, now I am correcting the minutes. This will fix the ORA-01851 error.